BathSelect Light Oil Rub Bronze, Rainfall Shower Set, with Handheld Shower. Product code, BS1010. Retail price, $1,879. Sale price, $1,539. Enhance your modern bathroom with Light Oil Rub Bronze, Square Rainfall Shower Set, with Handheld Shower, which comes complete with the square wall mount shower head along with 4 square body jets, and the thermostatic triple shower valve, and a handheld shower. Its rainfall effect experience makes showering experience more soothing and relaxing. Its optimum design and innovative technology allow for voluminous soft droplets to make your showering experience a fun one. Constructed from solid brass and stainless steel, with a high-quality unique light oil rub bronze finish, the thermostatic shower valve features stylish yet easy-to-use handles that control the flow and temperature of the water, and a diverter that allows you to switch between the fixed head, hand shower, or the body jets. Light Oil Rub Bronze, Rainfall Shower Set, with Handheld Shower product features. Type, Shower Set. Finish, Light Oil Rub Bronze Brass Valve Water Pressure Balance Control Standard Plumbing Connection. Shower panel unit is pre-plumbed. All functions work independently to ensure the proper water pressure. Ceramic disc technology. 1/2 NPT inlets and outlets compatible with standard US plumbing connections. Preset maximum temperature 104 superscript OF. The recommended pressure for best performance 2 to 75 psi. The flow rate is 2.5 GPM.